Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Brian's Outdoors, and today, as you can see by our thumbnail, we have wrapped the 450. I know some of you probably wanted to see how it looks afterwards, so let's take a look. Now I know you guys have seen this in a video before I did of showing it before I wrapped it. This is again just a regular 450 Sportsman from 2018. I really like this graphics kit. I found it online. I believe the company's name is called Kutvek Graphics. Don't quote me on that. I apologize if I mispronounce that. But I went with the khaki green, yellow, and black color. I did not customize this. This is a factory graphic you can get off their website that will go on most Sportsmans. But yeah, I love this so far. This is gonna look awesome this summer in the sunlight. I just got it sitting in here for the winter. I do have some graphics that were on the headlight pod. Don't know if you can see that. But yeah, otherwise everything else you see here is how it came. Finished putting it on last night. It looks awesome. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. But yeah, I really like this, and hopefully it'll be looking good this summer.